Hi everybody. Today I want to show you how can you make a linear regression on Excel. So what I'm going to do is just to look at two variables. I have my X variables, which is Wenga, and then I have got my Y variable, which is Sidom. So X variable is going to explain Y variables. So Wenga is going to explain the Sidom. Alright, so we are going to be using a scatter plot. A scatter plot requires two variables. This will be my X variable and this will be my Y variable. So what I'm going to do is I will highlight my X variable and then I will highlight my Y variables. And then I will go to insert and then chart, and from the chart I will select scatter plots. Okay, so we now have a scatter plot, but you can see this is very simple. We do not have any axis title, so we do not so we want to add x title of the axis. So what we are going to do, we can add title from the add chart element. So we're gonna click on this and then add axis title. So primary horizontal. Okay, so the horizontal axis have now axis title, and then we are going to get vertical axis title, which is the primary vertical. So okay, so I will have my title on x-axis and also have on y-axis. So let's change the title first. So this will be who angle, and this will be my Sidom. Okay, so let's change the title of the chart. So it will be linear regression who angle versus Sidom. Okay, perfect. It now looks much better and much more explanatory. So let's make it a little bit higher. So what you can see, there are few columns that we don't really need. So our value starts from, let's say, 23. So we do not need these two columns. So we can change that. So double click here, and then from we can start the minimum value will be 20, and then we do not have any values after 80. So but we can keep it 80 because this will looks better. So okay, so just enter. Okay, so now it looks better. Now we can show the regression, and also we can show the equation. So what I'm going to do, we will just go to quick layout, and then from the quick layout we will choose this one. So we'll have our equation and r square value, root mean square. Okay, so we don't need this, so we can delete. And then it is a little bit smaller, so we can make it a little bigger. Go to home, and then let's make it 11. Oops. Let's make it 12 maybe. Yep, it's no better. So sorry, it looks better here. So we have now the equation by which we can explain the relationship between Hu angle and sedum, and we have our best fit line which shows the slope. So the best fit line doesn't look good, so we can change its color. So what we're gonna do, we can just double click, or we can just select from here and then go to the option, and from dash type we can use this one, and then for the color we can also change the color. So instead of blue I'm going to use red. Okay, perfect. So now it looks better. So we now have linear regression chart. We have scatter plot, we have root mean square values, and linear regression equation. We also can find out the R values in Excel. So to get R value, what we can do is we can just simply put a equation sign and then type CORR, which is Corel, and then double click, and then we will select all the Hu angle values. All the Hu angle values, and then we'll put a comma and select all the Y values. And then we will close the bracket. Sorry, we'll close the bracket and then click enter. Yes, so we have now got R value, which is the regression value, which will explain the relationship between sedum and Hu angle and how strong the relationship is. So from this value minus 0.585689, we can deduce the relationship is not very strong, but it is moderately strong. So okay guys, so that's all for today. If you want to know more about any other topic, please let me know in the comment box. I will make videos and most of them it will be on Excel, so it will be easy and quick.